Welcome. In this video I will quickly show and explain how to copy and paste on LG Gram laptop. In order to copy and paste files or text on your computer, you have to select the file that you want to copy or cut, and then either select copy icon right here or the cut icon right here in order to either copy the file or cut it from this directory and then put it into a different one. So for example, let's cut this file from this directory and then let's go to this one, and then we can paste it using this icon. Alternatively, you can also right click the file that you want to cut or copy and then select either copy or cut right here, and in order to paste it, right click and select paste. You can also use keyboard shortcuts for copying and pasting. Use Ctrl+C combination of keys to copy, Ctrl and V combination to paste, and Ctrl+X to cut. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.